Hello my big brother, I'm Halloween. In this video, you are gonna know how the UART works. Here is a schematic that shows you how UART works. This schematic works in a full duplex mode. TX is responsible for transmitting data, and RX is responsible for receiving data in a device. If they can only send or receive data at the same moment between these two devices, we call it half duplex mode, no matter if they have two lines or one line. If there is only one line that can send the data from the right device to the left device, we call it simplex mode. In this example, it works in the full duplex mode. This UART will not have a parity bit, the stop bit is 1 and the data length is 8 bits. First, UART is in the idle state and remains high level, namely 1. When the sender aims to send data, it first sets the level to low, namely 0, and remains 1 bit period. We call this the start bit. The receiver will recognize by this low level that the sender is ready to send data. Next, the sender starts to send data. The receiver starts sampling the data in the middle of a bit data period. Plus, if you want to be sure of the data correctness, you also can sample multiple times during a bit data period in case of any interference signals. Then the sender sends a stop bit after the sample is done to tell the receiver the data has been sent completely. If multiple data needs to be sent, the state will directly change from stop to start rather than change from stop to idle and then to start. The receiver doesn't need to care for this stop bit, and just needs to judge the falling edge of the start bit when the level changes from idle state to start state or from stop state to start state. At the end of this video, I need to explain. UART has no mechanism to negotiate the fragment, data length, and so on. All of this we need to set manually. That's all for today's video.